Yanko Sika Tokurom tew. And then yenche because I'm ready ho. Your color party. Your first pick, Burnley versus Arsenal. Your away win for Arsenal. Fulham versus Wolves. Your over 1.5. Just a 2 goals expected in that game. There's a big one in Germany. Bayern Munich any Leverkusen. Your away handicap. 18 game no. Ever start no. Leverkusen were 3 goals dada.
Okay.
3 goals dada. Thank you. As you observe, Marseille, you call double chance for Marseille, draw or away. Crystal Palace, Brentford, you call home or draw first half. So double chance for Crystal Palace in the first half. You call Slovenia, in case you any, Almuni Kidrisevo, you call home win for NK Valerenga ne Bodo, you call away 1 up. Away 1 up. The Bodo share 1 goal per atake early cash out. Then Real Madrid Valencia and also ya check Valencia 3+ goals. Intino Real Madrid Besha and so share 4 unanswered goals. And sana bet we slip we best say. Intino your picks for the week quickly. Burnley Arsenal away win. Fulham Wolves over 1.5. Bayern Leverkusen away handicap 3-0. AJ Oxema say draw away. Crystal Palace Brentford home or draw first half for Crystal Palace. Selye home win. Valerenga ni Bodo yako away 1 up. And of course Real Madrid ni Valencia ya check Valencia 3 goals plus even before the game starts.
Yes, Madrid we need a ball.
Just say Madrid and say so share 4 unanswered goals.
Okay, and say Valencia shebi.
And you know ya check ball non start here cry check Valencia 3 goals.
Wow. Vipa sorry, thank you so much Mustafa Dean. Medase paye color party ola ba wo and am paye dwa white ni ejiremu ni ade Filippo 2AK47 me producer with support from Pablo Ayman and the entire sports crew, camera sound. Hi Adamasi, mo high director. Thank you so much. Midi K1 Kasa. Eric, I see you woody. But you didn't say live on the trend shop on price. So, hey, Miss Martha for you. Fantastic morning going out to you. My baby puha more hey, your chamo and I don't pay ye pa. Now, me atom not to be dum here. Next week, you be samba. Cause I had Dum TV. Bye bye.